Good morning, everyone. My name is Dianah Ayikoru, and I'm the finance and admin at Imuka Access. Today, I'm here to present about our program, that is the Accounting and Financial Management Systems program. And I'm actually very glad to see the experts we're working with. Some seated right there, and some actually here. How we came about with the program was through our Pitch Fest program that we actually run annually. And I'm not sure if anyone knows about the Pitch Fest program. Could anyone tell us what the Pitch Fest is all about? Anyone? Or I choose it myself? No, but I would love to hear from someone who has ever participated in a program. I've seen one.
Okay, so the Pitch Fest basically gives entrepreneurs an opportunity to be able to know how to talk about their business to an investor. And also through Imuka, we are trained to be able to really speak out our business very well. I have participated in the program through our St. Eliza Healthcare Services. And actually, we have got connections and we are busy in discussions with different investors. The only challenge, some of them come when they're so high, and maybe our appetite is not yet very big because they are asking us to ask for like $1 million, and we were only asking for 300,000. So maybe that's the only, but I really saw good program. So this year my wife was asking, I'm not hearing anything about Pitch Fest. So maybe then you need to answer that question, why they are not so. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr. Okello. The Pitch Fest this year, I think we hadn't have it, but we plan to have a better one that is in 2024. And yeah, we're hoping that all of you participate. So in this Pitch Fest program, we realized that most of the entrepreneurs that we link to investors actually wouldn't have their systems streamlined. So that is why Imuka Access, in partnership with Chicago, came up with a program, Accounting and Financial Management, and in collaboration with UIA, YAVCA, Ministry of Trade, to support SMEs in streamlining the financial system so that they would easily get access to financing. This program doesn't basically link the entrepreneurs to the investors directly, but we streamline the accounting systems to make them more ready and to make them more prepared for financing. An overview of the project. The program, it is to support 150 firms that have at least 5+ full-time employees. That is in Kampala and in Mbarara, which currently the program is supporting 100 SMEs, 100+ SMEs in Kampala with the help of our CFOs, and about 40 that will come from Mbarara. That will be probably next year. But this year we are currently supporting 100+. What is the goal of this program? The goal of the Accounting and Financial Management Systems program is to, just as I said from our Pitch Fest program, is to improve access to finance. That is where once the investors come in to assess your business, actually most of them would like to know the performance of the business. They would like to know what is the financial state of your business. So that is why we came up with a program to improve access to financing, productivity and growth of the SMEs. Through the program, there is the accounting software called the QuickBooks that is installed in the desktop or the laptop of these SMEs, of the entrepreneurs that we are supporting, and through the QuickBooks, they are able to generate their financial statements that can help them track the productivity and growth of their farm. So how is this program? How is it being implemented? It is a 3-month program that is hands-on, personalized training from our CFOs. These are the chief financial officers. These external CFOs are plugged into these farms to take them through the training. And yeah, what are some of these benefits of the program to entrepreneurs? One is they can make the decision making. That is, they are better. They are in a better stage or state to make decisions. That is in the costing and budgeting. They're able to identify which products make more profits to them and which ones they can adjust to make their business profitable. And then better access to funding opportunities from banks and private equity investors. This program streamlines their accounting systems, and they are in a better position to access funding that is from the banks and equity investors. I'm sure we have investors in here as well. So through this program, we have entrepreneurs already in our pipeline. And just as I said, the Pitch First program, we look up to connecting these entrepreneurs to investors. So once we connect them, that is where the stage, that is where the whole process starts. So we plan to have a Pitch Fest that is next year. And these are the same entrepreneurs we're going to engage, and investors in the room. We also request you to apply for our Pitch Fest program that will be this year, since the entrepreneurs already financially, they are literate, financial literacy. They already have it, and I think there will be no doubt to really put in your money. There is higher farm productivity, growth, and sustainability. They are able to track their performance, their farm performance through this program. And then benefits to experts, just like the experts we're working with as of now. There is professional development through this. The QuickBooks, that is the accounting software, I just realized that it actually keeps upgrading each and every time, the new versions that come in. So the experts also get the opportunity to develop professionally. And then networking opportunities through this program. They're able to interface with different entrepreneurs and different other experts. I'm sure they didn't know each other, but through this program, they're able to network, and then access to opportunities. Even after the program, the different entrepreneurs can be able to reach out to them for their services. What are some of the benefits to investors? The investors get a pool of curated entrepreneurs. That means they're already vetted. We at least have a confidence in them. So they have a pool of curated entrepreneurs that they can go through, and based on their interests, they are able to make a choice. And then there is increased confidence in the investors, since they know these are entrepreneurs who have already gone through the program and they already have the idea about financial management. I think there is increased confidence. And then the investors also can make informed decisions. That is through the financial statements. Once generated from these systems, they can assess how the business is doing, Is it something worth investing in? Those are some of the benefits to the investors, and some of the achievements. These are some of our CFOs, not all, and some of the firms that we are supporting in the program. Just as we said, it is personalized, so the experts go to where these firms are in the premises and provide them these services. Yeah, these are some of the achievements that the project has. When we go to challenges, we have also faced quite a few challenges in the program. That is, since it is really so much into the financial statements, it needs someone that is really open to the statements, who is open to accessing the performance of the business financially. So we found out that most of the firms, they hide a lot to themselves, and we found out that it was really so hard to access their financial systems, and it would really drag us so long trying to convince them, since the program is all about streamlining their statements. But we try our very best to maybe form the NDAs just to assure them, and yeah, that is how we are trying to solve the challenge. And then also inconsistency, time management, and allocation. Some of the firms are very inconsistent. They one time they're in, they're out, they have other things to do, they don't have so much time for the program, but we try to give them the time frame they want, and we work according to their time and their availability. And then another challenge is dropout from the program. We have quite a number of firms that have also dropped out from the program. That is due to their internal firm challenges, not really from our side. Some already have systems in place, some already have the accountants or the financial managers in place, and they tell us that they already have in place, and really we don't need to come through. So those are some of the challenges we are facing as we run this program, and we are also open to collaborations and partners in this program, so that we can work with more of the SMEs in Uganda and in other countries. Thank you all.